Have you heard of monster truck treasure hunts? Let's quickly have a review of the most recent ones that you need to hunt. Personally, I never hunted these before, but I might start. What are your thoughts about monster trucks? Please let me know in the comments. Apparently, we need to look for the red circles on the wheels. Do you know any other sign for treasure hunt or otherwise? They are not as clear as the mainline treasure hunts with the TH symbol. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Let me know in the comments if you found or have any. Good luck hunting, folks.